AP world. It's hard to believe this is the week. This is what we've been talking about since August. So I imagine you're nervous and probably just want to get this done. I'm fully confident in you guys. You're ready, or as ready as we're going to be. So a couple of things for the week. You've got one last set of AP Live notes to do. That's on effects of the Industrial Revolution. Sorry, it's early. Tuesday, you've got the last DBQ for me that you're going to do, at least as we prep for the test, on the sugar trade. And it's to analyze the effects of the international sugar trade in the global economy and society from 1500 to the present. We've talked about that already in our Thursday chats. That's actually later today. 1500 to the present. So that's right around, and I'll bring this up in chat too, but that's right around the time that, the transatlantic slave trade starts. Think about what's going on as far as exploration, European countries coming into what they call the New World. Those are some things you could use for context. And then that's the last thing that's due for me for the week. Thursday is the day, 1 o'clock. We'll talk about that. So we'll probably need to, in our chat today, set up a time, or maybe I just check in with you guys next week. We will not have our chat next Thursday. That will be canceled. Certainly not going to expect you to call in to me right after taking that test. And you're not supposed to tell me about anything that has to do with that test until usually several days later they release the test question to us. So maybe in our chat the following week we might go over what that DBQ was. I'm also wondering if I think they might do different DBQs. So there's no guarantee that everyone's going to get the same DBQ. But anyway, be watching for that AP test ticket. You should be getting it Tuesday. I'm going to send an email out to your parents next week, giving some tips on what they can do to help you. The AP Live notes, I'm not going to make you do period 6. I'm going to send you my notes for the period 6 videos. There were 3 of them that focused on imperialism, economic imperialism, and then causes and effects of migration patterns that happened, in that 1750 to 1900 time period. So that's what's going on this week. This is a big, big week. Make sure that you're well rested. On test day, make sure that you eat breakfast, eat lunch, get a quiet place to work if you can. Make sure your internet connection works. Make sure you get into the testing platform and check it out. Make sure all those things. And again, make sure that you ask me any questions that you might have, even if you think that there are no dumb questions. Even if you think it's ridiculous, ask. I'd rather have you ask than not, and then be in the dark about something on test day. Best of luck. I'll talk to you guys before test day, and take care of yourselves. Stay healthy.